You might be wondering what I'm doing in Evan and Katelyn's garage right now.
Yeah.
And no, I did not break in.
Let's rewind back to Open Sauce, a crazy science fair YouTube event created by William Osman, where, thanks to this guy, I had the honor of being able to host my own booth. So let's go to the week of the event and see how we got there. All right, so it's Monday. Open Sauce is like 5 days from now, and we need to travel across the country via car in order to transport all of my stuff and pick up Coco, the Furby robot thing. So that means we have a 40-hour drive ahead of us. So yeah, I gotta get all this stuff packed up into the car. So wish me luck, and I will see you guys at some point tomorrow. Say hi.
Hello.
We are on the road. How many hours we got left? Like 35 hours left in our total drive. But we are currently heading to Texas to go pick up Coco. It is currently, today's Tuesday, right? I haven't slept in like almost 24 hours. Well, I got about an hour of sleep. So we are pushing it, driving at least like 12, 15 hours every single day, trying to pass the time doing productive things. I just like cut out all of my stickers because I had ordered them in big sheets. I thought that was going to take a whole lot longer, but I got it done in like 30 minutes. So now I got to find something else to do. Guys, we're in Egypt. There's the pyramid. Oh, look, it's Arkansas. Here comes Arkansas. Oh, dang, we got some bird poop on the windshield. Texas. All right, it's the next morning. We are about to pick up Coco. I'm almost nervous for some reason because it's like I helped work on him, but I haven't met him like in his final form. I don't know. I'm excited. So I'll see you guys there. There he is. Hey, buddy. Long time no see. All right, we gotta get him into the car somehow. All right, Coco. Ready for a road trip? There it is, the Palace of the Cows. Oh, it just changed, dang it. So now that we're actually at the Cow Palace, we have to figure out exactly where our booth is. So thanks to this model by Alex File, we know that we're right here in Hall B. Then we met up with Evan and Katelyn to sort out some Coco stuff. Coco is in his home.
We just did a little test run with Evan and Katelyn, and we apparently somehow forgot the main remote. So we do have this simplified remote, which is more like incognito and stuff. So I can kind of like just be down here controlling them. So I think it'll be fine. Yeah, we're gonna start setting up the booth now.
Wow, okay.
All right, so we just finished day one of open sauce. We got Coco over here. I mean, he's seen better days. He's worked really hard today. He was drawing crowds. Lots of people were coming over, taking pictures. We ran into a couple different issues with him that we had to deal with, but in the end, I think he still did really well. And like lots of people were taking pictures and videos. I haven't had a whole lot of opportunity to walk around and see a whole lot of other stuff. So hopefully I'm able to get some videos there. Sorry I haven't been vlogging very much. Hopefully I was able to fill this in with some of the videos that my wife got. So sorry, we'll try to do better tomorrow. But before we move on to day two, I want to introduce you to my friends over at PCBWay. I'm over here with the guys over at PCBWay.
Hello guys, this is Elaine.
This is Simon from PCBWay.
And right now, we are so excited to have Austin visit our booth.
Can you tell me about some of the services you guys do?
As you know, PCB. Did you see PCBWay? And we are so proud of ourselves. And we have
3D printing and 3D machining.
Yeah, right.
Injection molding also.
Yes.
Yeah,
We
right.
offer so many kind of service. You can check out website and
Yeah.
find more information here.
Yeah.
We are celebrating our 10th anniversary also.
Your support means so much to every member of our PCBWay team.
Go check out PCBWay. If you're a maker and you need any materials for your projects, they'll be able to hook you up. They'll do a very good job.
Thank you.
Thank
you,
you.
guys. So it's day two now. We got Coco set back up over here. I had to fix a couple things because something I forgot to mention. He fell over twice yesterday. Not because of like, I'm not really sure what happened, honestly. It's like he automatically tried to do one of the built-in functions that the robot has where he rolls over on his back, which he shouldn't do if he's got a Furby on him. And I was afraid that he broke it, but he didn't seem like that happened. So I just went on for the rest of the day. But when I came in today, I noticed that like the whole thing was actually loose on top of the robot, so I had to tighten some things down. So I'm hoping that lasts through today. So we'll just see how today goes. Okay, mild emergency. It seems like the servo for his eyelids has like fried or something. I'm not sure. Like his mouth still works and everything, so he's getting the power that he needs. It's just for some reason his eyelids are not blinking. I mean, I would like all the pieces to be working, and it's kind of annoying that it doesn't work. So I'm trying to straighten that out and try to figure out what's going on here. Like, see if maybe it's just like a cable got loose, or like if just the servo's dead. I don't know. I'm not sure what happened. I'll update you guys when I figure something out. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, I'm a terrible YouTuber and I didn't film any of me taking him apart and stuff, but yes, I think we fried a servo. I tried fixing a bunch of different things. His eyes just won't be able to blink or anything, which is better than like his mouth not being able to move. So I'll take wins where I can get them, but yeah, so that's just how it is.
Hey, pretty good, pretty good.
So cursed. Oh my god.
Switch it. Oh, great. All right, so that's the end. Everybody's working on packing stuff up now, taking things down. Coco is mostly packed up now. Yeah. It seemed like this weekend just flew by. I tried to vlog as much as I can, but it was really hard to do while operating Coco. So I'm hoping that, like, from videos that my wife got and maybe some stuff that I can get from other people that took videos, maybe we can make something out of this. I have no idea what this video is at this point. We're gonna find out when I get home. Oops. I may or may not have dropped the head while I was taking it off. I was a little bit distracted, but yeah. I cracked him up pretty bad, which is a bummer. Dang. Oopsie. All right, so that's everything all packed up. There's the head. There's Coco on top of a box with everything. And then we got the Pez dispenser in there. We're gonna attempt to try to get all of this in one trip so we don't have to come back. But I don't know, I've got high hopes. Seems like we got just about everything packed up in here. I was able to pack things a little bit nicer now that I know actually how much space Coco is going to take up. After one last stay in the hotel tonight, I think we'll be back on the road, and hopefully we can take Coco out to do a little bit of sightseeing. We'll see how that goes. So see you guys then. So we're on our way back home now. We're crossing over the water and we're looking for the land where we are going to be crossing to. And then we realized we're gonna be on the water for a very long time. I don't know how I feel about this.
but from what I can tell, I think we are approaching the Grand Canyon. We've never seen this before, so we're kind of excited. I'll show you. That's about how far away we are. Getting a little bit of a peeky peek. Oh, whoa, look at that. Oh, wow. Dude, it's like nothing. I've never been so happy to see absolutely nothing. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it keeps going down. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's so quiet. Wow. Holy cow. Oh wow.
Where are you, Katelyn?
Coco, Austin!
Oh, it's so good to see you.
How was Coco on the trip?
Oh, he had a wonderful time.
Coco, why are you talking about meeting a bunch of little kids?
Coco,
no.
babe, meet.
Okay, you're not
Sarah, let's go. Quick, before they change their mind. All right, so we are back from Open Sauce. We've actually been back for quite a bit of time now. I don't know why I had to look at my watch to be able to confirm that. It was a whole lot of fun. I obviously wouldn't want to have to do that 40-hour drive again, but we at least got to stop at a couple places along the way back, which was cool. So the actual event itself was really, really cool. It was both simultaneously everything I would have hoped for and like not what I expected at the same time. I got to meet a lot of really cool people. I got recognized by a lot of people. Like I was not expecting to like have that many people recognize me, but there was quite a few people that like I'd pass by and be like, "Oh, you're Austin Bradley. I watch your videos and stuff." And I'm like, I don't know how to react to this. I took lots of pictures. I signed autographs. Like it was really surreal feeling. I don't really know how to describe it. But I also really enjoyed just controlling Coco, getting to like puppeteer him and make him move around and stuff. It was really cool to see people's live reactions and stuff because I had not been in the same room as the fully assembled Coco until that point. I don't think I actually covered this in any of the vlogging and stuff, but Evan and Katelyn actually stole Coco for a little bit to go take him to the VIP area and introduce him to a bunch of the other creators. They wanted to be able to bring me with them, but like security was weird about non-VIP type people, whatever. They brought Coco around, got to meet a bunch of creators and stuff, which is, I don't know, really neat. Trying to think of like other stories and like weird things that happened. I mean, like, yeah, we fried the servo, which was nuts. We're gonna have to completely replace that servo. I say we, but it's kind of in Evan and Katelyn's hands at this point, so go do it. Speaking of Evan and Katelyn, we actually got to hang out with them when we brought Coco back over. We went out to dinner with them. They gave us a little like studio garage tour sort of thing. I don't know, it was really nice. They're super cool people, just as cool in person as they are on screen. I don't know, I really enjoyed our time over there with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog video. I'm not used to vlogging like this, so it was a bit weird for me. But yeah, go check out my other videos. You can watch the one about Coco right up here, and this is just whatever YouTube thinks you should be watching. But yeah.